Hello, everyone. This will be the second video where we will talk about how artificial intelligence and multi-agent systems can help in power purchase agreements, PPA, with battery storage. I was told that you are interested in exploring multi-agent systems to optimize energy management in your company.
Hi. Yes, I have heard that these systems can improve the efficiency and stability of the power grid, but I would like to better understand how they work and what benefits they can bring.
Perfect. Let's start with the basics. A multi-agent system is a structure composed of multiple autonomous agents that interact with each other and with their environment to achieve common or individual goals. In the energy sector, these agents can represent power generators, consumers, storage devices, and grid operators. Their interaction enables more efficient and flexible management of energy generation, distribution, and consumption.
Sounds interesting. What characteristics make these systems so effective?
There are several key principles. First, autonomy. Each agent makes decisions based on available information without the need for direct external intervention. Then, there is interaction and communication. Agents share data and coordinate actions through defined protocols. Cooperation and coordination are also essential to improve efficiency and avoid conflicts. In addition, multi-agent systems are highly adaptable and scalable, which means they can adjust to changes in demand or infrastructure without affecting system performance.
And how is the architecture of these systems organized?
There are different organizational structures. For example, there is the hierarchical architecture, where agents are organized in levels with different degrees of authority. There is also the distributed architecture, where all agents operate with equal authority and collaborate in a decentralized manner, which improves the resilience of the system. Finally, hybrid architecture combines both, allowing for greater flexibility.
I understand. But how does this distributed intelligence apply to the optimization of energy contracts?
Very good question. A good example is automated contract negotiation. Agents can adjust prices and terms based on supply and demand in real time, which streamlines the process and improves efficiency. In addition, adaptability allows contracts to adjust to market fluctuations or changes in consumption. This generates greater transparency and trust between the parties.
Sounds interesting. Are there any case studies where this has been successfully implemented?
Yes, there are many. For example, in Chile, the Oasis de Atacama project has incorporated solar photovoltaic generation with energy storage to ensure grid stability. Another fascinating case is the conversion of a paper mill in Maine, USA, into the world's largest battery with iron-air technology, which stores electricity for several days, optimizing grid supply and demand. Innovative solutions have also been developed in Spain, such as the installation of photovoltaic panels on public buildings to reduce costs and increase sustainability.
Wow, I was not aware of these developments. How could I apply this in my company?
It will depend on your specific needs. If your company has a high energy demand and variability in consumption, a multi-agent system with energy storage could be implemented to optimize self-management and reduce costs. Automated trading solutions could also be integrated for buying and selling energy in dynamic markets, ensuring better prices and operational efficiency.
It seems like a very complete solution. What would be the first step to implement it?
First, an analysis of energy consumption and available resources must be made. Then, you could design the right multi-agent system architecture for your case, selecting the necessary agents and their functions. Finally, we would proceed with implementation and testing to ensure that the system operates efficiently and without interruptions.
It sounds coherent. I would like to move forward with this topic. How would I go about it?
Perfect. If you need more information or support in the implementation of these strategies based on AI and multi-agent systems, you can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize PPA energy contracts.